How to set up a meeting in Google Meet. If you're looking to start a meeting using Google Meet, first go to meet.google.com. From the Google Meet homepage, select Start a Meeting in the bottom left corner. You can then select to join a meeting with your microphone on or off and your camera on or off. Once you're ready to enter the meeting, select Join Now. Google Meet automatically presents you with the option to invite others to join the meeting. This can be done by selecting Copy Joining Info and then pasting the meeting information into your own email draft. Alternatively, you can select Add People and then enter the name or email address of the people you'd like to invite. Google Meet will then send out an auto-generated email to these individuals. Once you have people invited to your meeting, you're ready to begin. Alternatively, you can also set up a Google Meet directly from your Gmail account. If you go to Gmail, on the left-hand side under Meet, you'll see that you can select to start a meeting. If you click this, you'll be brought to the Google Meet page where you can once again go through the same steps to begin your meeting. And that's how to set up a Google Meet. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.